Hey guys, it's your girl Nelia. Welcome back to my channel and back for another video. In today's video, we're finally doing something to my hair. It has been out and about and I'm tired, y'all. I need a break. So that means protective style time. So I don't know what this style is gonna be called, but all I know is I have some leftover twisted up springy, you know, kind of like a Marley texture hair, and I got some of their passion twist hair. I got a couple packs of this. Oh, and another pack of passion hair with some color in it. And we just got a lot of random hairs, and we're gonna use them and we're gonna combine them and we're gonna make a style, and it's gonna be cute. Claiming it now. Let's go see. I already took one pack of the passion hair out and I was looking at it and I was like, Nelia, why do you keep setting yourself up with passion twist? I have 2 videos on passion twist. And every time I'm like, this is not gonna last a long time. So I was like, how can I get this to last a long time? And I thought if I combined some kinkier hair with the passion twist hair, then maybe it'll last a little longer than just like a week. When I say last, I mean like my real hair is not popping out, it's not getting frizzy. Like, y'all have seen the girls with the passion twists that have been in just a little too long, so you know what I mean. So I actually blow dried and parted my hair already last night. If you want a video about that, I will link one above and below in my description box, because recording how to part my hair, it's a journey. Hard journey. I don't know how clean these parts are. I didn't stress myself too much, so let me see if I can get you guys to see these. So yeah, this mirror dirty. I'm trying to see, but this is just kind of how it looks. I did rubber band part some areas like my edges. I did not put rubber bands because it's my edges and I'm trying to grow them thick and strong. If I'm sweating, it's from my shower. I just got out of the shower. Tired. They're basically jumbo. I'm trying to do something jumbo, something quick. So they're already parted. So I'm basically ready to go. You need like a tacky substance to keep your hair and the fake hair blended together. So what I like to use is Let's Jam Extra Hold. And I like to use like a cheap edge control I don't really care for, which for this would be the Lotta Body edge control. I have my crochet needle. Definitely need this because we're going to do the crochet method. Gel of your choice, your iPad so you can watch something because you'll be bored, and the hair, which like I said again is just this springy expression hair and their passion twist hair. I think I have 4 packs of the passion twist hair and I'm running out of the springy, but I have some extra kinky textured hair laying around here somewhere, so I think I'm just gonna get started. I'm gonna do the back and see how that goes. And then I'll come back to you guys when I have like a more front section so it's easier to show you on camera. But yeah, let's get into it. Welcome back, guys. Okay, we have a system, we have something going. Okay, I think we're just gonna go with kinky passion twist because essentially that's what this is. So here's what I've been doing. I have 2 rows done so far. Here's how they're looking. They're pretty long. They're to my waist, so I'll probably be trimming them very soon. But here's like a little rectangle section we're gonna work with. So here's what we're doing. We're taking some of that Let's Jam and I'm just kind of rubbing that in between my hands and then onto the hair. And I just kind of want it very slick. We're even taking some of that edge control and putting it at our ends because we want this hair to stick, honey. Okay, okay. Taking 1 strand of some kinky hair, springy hair, it doesn't matter, I promise. This is actually my last piece of this, so I'm probably gonna go in my hair box and grab some Jamaican twist braid. I'm sure I have tons of that in there. Here we go. So we're just like pulling the ends. I want it very fluffy. Decided to take the rubber band out because I was getting a better grip with my fine textured hair if I was just braiding it without the rubber band. So that, depending on your hair texture, do what's best for you. But what I was discovering was like, see, this one's a rubber band and it's like super loose. So here's one with the braid and it's much tighter. So up to you. Actually on a new pack, I went through one pack of this already and one pack of the one with the blonde tips. So your girl might not have enough hair to finish this style, which is fine. I'm gonna look at my hair box and see what else I got in there. But I think I have 2 more bags of this left. Oh no, never mind. I forgot I have this. So I'm taking 1 strand of the kinky hair. Then I'm taking 3, I only need 3, keep this uniform, 3 strands of the passion twist hair. And y'all, I hate this hair. Like, it's not fun to deal with. It's getting caught on things and it's stringy. So it's not the greatest hair to play with. But anyway, so this is the Lulu Tress one. And this is like this is 1B27, just for reference. So it goes from this 1B color into a 27. So it's not really an ombre, but I guess it's kind of gradual, but it's not that great. But anyways, taking that, kind of fluffing this out by just pulling on it like so. All right, and we're going to combine it with this kinky hair. So this is what we got. So my thought processes with this is the kinky hair is going to match my real hair, which will hopefully keep it in the twist longer. And even when it starts to get a little frizzy from manipulation and everything, even when my hair starts to poke out, at least this hair is with it to help it camouflage better in with the rest of this hair. So as you can see, this is like, focus. This is like kinky hair mixed with the passion twist, and my hair is in here. And then here's some more of the kinky hair, because you know my hair is short, so my hair probably stops like right here. And then it's just kinky hair with a bit of passion, and then the passion is just longer, so the ends are gonna be like this wispy coily thing, which I'm still working on how to tie the ends. So we're gonna keep practicing. Bundle here, passion twist at the bottom, and it's longer than my kinky hair. This would probably work even nicer if the kinky hair was as long as the passion twist hair. The passion twist hair is 24 inches. So, but we're gonna work with what we got. We're gonna put our hair like this. Make sure my ends are matching up. These are our working hands. Sweating again. So this is underneath. We're going to take our real hair, split it in 2. One of them is going to go to this side with a partner. One's going to be by itself, and another fake is going to be by itself. And then these are our 3 strands, so we're just going to start braiding. So I do a couple braids with that, maybe 2 or 3. And then I give the fake hair and the real hair, I make them partners, and then we begin twisting. So the twisting process I've been experimenting with, I've been doing, oh, this is the jam. I'm just putting more. And I'm trying to like conceal my real hair in with the fake hair, like a lot. So I've been kind of doing like a Senegalese method, which is like twisting and then turning over. I've been doing that kind of method. I really just want my real hair to be concealed in these twists, because passion twists, it don't do much for you. But the kinky hair is definitely helping. So we're doing kind of like a Senegalese kind of thing. As you can see, my real hair is right there, so I kind of like go back and I really try to grab it and tuck it in. Just smush it in there and turn. See? And now it's gone. I'm sure I'm not the first person to do this, so I don't know. But I saw maybe 1 or 2 people kind of do it like this, but I think that's about it. I've never really seen this combination before. Also, I get a lot of questions about like
How do I find the time to do your own hair? You have so much patience.
We make time for what we want to make time for. Like if you can make time to make that hair appointment, or you can make time to get your nails done, or you can make time to lay around with bae, like you can make time to take care of yourself and do your hair. Make time for what we want to make time for. And doing my hair is part of my self-care, so if my hair is not done, it just drives me insane. Like, I just don't feel cute. It's an attachment issue, I know. So here we are near the ends. And I like to take I'm still working on the best method for this, but this is what we're doing for now. I take like one of these curly pieces and I just kind of tie a knot. This is not my favorite method because it kind of comes out wanky and it's not consistent. But I mean, no one's judging me, right? Like, who's looking this close? Don't look at that close to me. So we're just gonna tie a knot. Oh, so that's basically the end. And that one actually came out decent. I'm gonna cut like that extra part off, the extra frizzy, because we don't need that. I'm gonna cut that off. Then I kind of twirl around my fingers and voila. So that's what I've been doing. And this is how they're kind of like turning out. I don't know if you guys can get a good angle, but they literally look like passion twist with a little kink in them. Yeah. I don't know. I think this will work. I don't know how cute we're gonna look at the end, but I do love the ends. I always liked the passion twist ends. So I probably won't be able to finish all of this tonight, but we're gonna get a good chunk done. Yes, we are. All right, you guys, stay tuned.
I'm so groovy. I am Pluto. No forget. Okay. I'm so groovy. I got power. I'm so groovy. I got power. I just bought it. I'm so groovy. I got power. I'm so groovy. I got power. That's your bitch. I just bought it.
Okay, guys, I'm done. I am so tired. I ran out of hair. I had to finesse some parts. Like, I don't even feel like fixing this angle. I can back it up though. Oh god. Okay, so the hair is done. I'm gonna tie it up and then I'm gonna show you guys the final look tomorrow. It is 12:30 and I started at like 8:30, so 4 hours. That's not bad actually. That's shorter than some other styles I've done. But yeah, I'm gonna go to bed. But she's done. She's braided up, baby.
She Photoshop, Photoshop. I just picked the bitch. Serving boss. Made it to the top, What's going pop, I'm so groovy. I got power. No forget. I'm so groovy. I got power. I'm so groovy. I got power. I just bought it. I'm so groovy. I got power. I'm so groovy. I got power. That's your bitch. I just bought it. Oh, that's your bitch. I just bought it.